Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my second video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use Google Photo. Google Photo is a cloud storage app where you can store your photos, videos and many more. So you can access whenever you want, wherever you go. Even if you lost your phone, you can access. When you get a new phone, you can access your photos and documents or videos. So let me show you how to do that, and let me show you how to store everything on the cloud through the Google Photo. So let's jump into the video and let's see. Alright, now we are in our phone screen right now. Now we are going to download the Google Photo. To download the Google Photo, we're gonna have to open up the Play Store. So we're going to download the Google Photo from the Play Store, right? So click on the Play Store, open it up. And now you can see the search bar here. You can see the search bar. Click on the search bar. Now on the search bar, search for Google Photo. Type Google Photo. Googlephoto. Google Photo, right? Now click on the first one. Click on the first one. Alright, there we go. You can see on the top here, this is the app where you can store all of your videos and photos on this cloud store. This is a cloud storage app from Google. It's a very secure and safe. You don't have to be afraid of anything. So click on open it up, and you can see here there's nothing here. You can see it's empty. There's no photo, no videos. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload my first photo on this Google Cloud Store app. So let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna open up my gallery here. On the gallery you can see I have 2 pictures. Now I'm gonna upload 1 picture to my Cloud Store app. So you can see here that this down there, you can see a send button. Click on it. After that, you have to look for this one, Google Photo. You can see the icon here, upload to Google Photo. Click on that icon, and you can see all of the Gmail account here. If you're gonna click on here, you can see all of the Gmail here. Well, I'm going to upload my first photo on this account. Okay, so upload, click on upload down there at the corner. Click on upload. Now it's uploading. Done. We have uploaded our first ever photo in our Google Cloud Store photo app. That's amazing. So let's go and see on this app. Okay, on that app, let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna refresh everything. Okay, now let's head over to the photo app here, open it up, and let's check. Yeah, there we go. We get our first photo here. So even if you lost your phone or the phone is broken, you can access everything in another phone. If I'm gonna open within another phone, right, I can access my photos. These photos I can access with your phone. If I'm gonna give you my Gmail address and my password, everything, then you can access my photo. So be careful, don't access my photo, okay? Don't steal my photo. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, share this video with your friends who doesn't know about this amazing app, right? So most of the people don't know. I know most of my friends even don't know about this app. So I tell them every day, use this app, this very amazing app. Well, I personally use this app to store my documents and videos, which is amazing. I can access from anywhere. Even I go to America, I can access from there. Okay, I don't have this phone anymore. I only need my Gmail address, Gmail account address, and then the password. That's all I need. I don't need anything else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.